How's it going, everyone? Brian Hoops here with Midwest Market Solutions. This is our closing Market Insider TV commentary. It's Thursday, November the 9th, and crop report day. That's going to highlight what we're going to talk about now. We're going to talk more in depth in our webinar tonight, talk about some marketing strategies, what to do with these numbers from the USDA, and it's a good time to sign up if you haven't already. I'm going to send out the link here one more time through email, through Twitter, and hopefully you can sign up. If you can't, join us live. It will be archived on our website. We're looking at corn chart here, and you notice today big outside day down, but the most bearish aspect is we made new contract lows. Even below these lows here, and we close below it. So new low close around 342, 341 and a half. That's a bearish aspect, and based off of the numbers that we saw, it's certainly justified. I thought we could be even down harder than the 6 cents we were. The numbers from the USDA, certainly a real bearish number, surprisingly bearish. I'm just almost shocked that they increased yields by that amount. Not surprised they increased yields. Trade was looking for like a half a bushel increase. I thought we could see maybe a bushel and a half type of increase, but not 3.5. So that's the surprise, and justified corn being down this much. Now you're talking about, you get back up into this range, there's going to be a lot of selling, I think, but we'll talk more about that in our webinar tonight. But certainly corn charts bearish, given this chart pattern, given what we heard and saw from the USDA today. Soybeans, bearish charts. Look at this. We closed below the uptrend line, huge outside day lower. This is our January continuation chart, and I'm going to pull up a daily chart here of soybeans. Okay, here's January soybeans. Big outside day lower, and if we draw an uptrend line on this Jan soybean chart, that's where I would put it. We're closed below that as well. So nothing good to say out of these chart patterns. This is bearish in here. From a technical standpoint, we should get some sort of a bounce back recovery, take us back up into here, but I think we have to lower our sights from where we thought maybe we could move higher. Now with this news and the technical action, it's going to be hard to maintain any type of bullish standpoint here unless you get a major weather problem out of South America, and that's what it's really going to take. Wheat futures not nearly as bad a report. In fact, we closed near the highs today, up a couple of cents in Chicago. We'll pull Kansas City chart up here near the highs again. We made contract lows beginning of the month. Since then, we started to move higher, made new highs for the move. Again, wheat doesn't have a real bullish story, but better than corn and soybeans today, as the report showed a drawdown in ending stocks, unlike corn and soybeans. Live cattle really didn't do a whole lot today. We didn't even come down to this support area we've been targeting and fill the gap or anything. We came close, didn't quite get there, and the market may start to bounce. Really not much news. Cattle weight's up a couple pounds from a week ago. That's a little bearish. Hearing some on-feed numbers, 105, 106, placements 106 on the marketing's number for next week's cattle on feed. So I think you do get some sort of a bounce back, some sort of recovery off of this low in here, and you've had a pretty good fall, kind of some stability here in today's trade. Should see some sort of a bounce back recovery, but again, not a lot of fundamental news to push it back to new highs. Finally, hog market today, down again. We haven't closed higher yet in the month of November. We've traded lower. Here was some support in this hog market. We broke below it, closed just above it. Next support area is down around 61.97. That looks like where we're headed, as the cash market is very soft in this market. All right, we'll sign up for a webinar. We'll be back later tonight talking more about it. Have a great rest of your night, and hopefully we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Brian Hoops for Midwest Markets.